How to deactivate TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your TikTok account. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and tap on account. And now here in this section, just select deactivate or delete account option. And after that, on the next page, you simply have to tap on deactivate account. And after that, TikTok will show you what happens when your account is deactivated. So with that, you can just tap on deactivate here again. And after that, on the next page, you'll get a verification code in your email. So simply verify the code and simply put that particular code, and once you have confirmed it, you can just tap on deactivate account again, and once you do that, your account will be deactivated. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.